Certain rare body features are present in few people across the globe. After all, humans are a particularly unique species despite there being close to 9 million species living on the planet. We have similarities with everything else in nature. It would be astonishing if we did not. But we have got to look at the differences. Humans don't just differ from other species, though we are also different from one another. Despite a worldwide population of over 7 billion people, each person has an entirely unique face. Bodies too are incredibly diverse. This means that we are all unique, yet and still there are some people who are especially extraordinary or more unique on a biological level. From extra body parts to heightened senses, they are some of the rarest features very few people have. Before starting our list, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's start our countdown. Number 5. An extra rib. Most people have 12 pairs of rib bones equaling 24 total ribs. However, there are chances that some people equally have 25 ribs. 1 in 200 people have a rare body feature that called a cervical rib. Health Beat, a publication of the Department of Surgery at Flushing Hospital in New York, revealed a cervical rib is present at birth and it forms above the first rib, growing at the base of the neck just above the collarbone. You can have a cervical rib on the right, left or both sides. It's possible you have one and don't even know it. This is because this extra rib does not always form completely and may just be a thin strand of tissue fibers that would not even be present on an X-ray. It may sound concerning, but cervical ribs are usually no big deal. If the ribs put pressure on blood vessels and nerves, a condition called thoracic outlet syndrome, it can be painful. Thankfully, it's treatable. Number 4. Ocular albinism. Because albinism is often lumped into one category, you may not know that there are actually two different types of the condition: oculocutaneous and ocular albinism. Although both forms can have an effect on hair, skin and eye pigmentation, OCA primarily affects the pigmentation of the skin, whereas OA primarily affects the eyes. According to the National Organization for Albinism and Hypopigmentation, the skin and hair of people with ocular albinism may appear similar or slightly lighter than that of other family members. Ocular albinism does not just alter the color of a person's irises but can also cause reduced vision, sensitivity to light and other more serious eye conditions. Number 3. Supercolor vision. Our ability to see color is all thanks to cells in our eyes called cones, Discover explained. Typically, people have 3 types of cones to help them communicate with the brain and therefore see colors. However, researchers believe there is a percentage of people called tetrachromats who actually have 4 cones, a rare body feature. These people would be able to see 100 million different colors. Superior color vision sounds pretty magical, but it's not always a fun experience. The grocery store is a nightmare. Tetrachromat conceit Antico admitted to BBC Future, "It's like a trash pile of color coming in at every angle." Despite seeing so many colors, Antico admitted that white is her favorite color because it is so peaceful and restful for eyes. Number 2. A small hole near the ear. In the United States and United Kingdom, a tiny percentage 0.1 to 0.9% of babies are born with what's called a preauricular pit, a rare body feature. You may think it looks little like a guild, and that's even what some evolutionary biologists theorize they were at one point. This pit is a sinus tract traveling under the skin that doesn't belong there. It's marked by a tiny opening to the tract right in the front of the ear and above the ear canal, CHOP explained. These pits form during the 6th week of gestation and in most cases are only present on one ear. Number 1. 2 differently colored eyes. You probably don't think twice before filling out your eye color on a form, but this seemingly simple question becomes a lot more complicated for someone with heterochromia, a rare body feature. Derived from the ancient Greek word heteros meaning different and chroma meaning color, a person with heterochromia has a difference in eye color according to medical news today. 3 types of this condition are known to exist: complete, central and partial. A person with complete heterochromia has 2 different colored eyes, like one brown eye and one blue eye. 2 different colors in the same iris is considered central heterochromia. Lastly, partial heterochromia means just a part of the iris is a different color from the rest. Heterochromia is most often genetic, but it can also occur as a result from various medical syndromes or even an eye injury. Heterochromia, whether acquired or genetic, is extremely rare. In the United States, fewer than 2 lakh people have the condition. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.